Welcome to Foyer Sigma, a space where elegance, innovation, and architectural brilliance come together to redefine first impressions. An entrance is more than just a transition. It sets the stage for what lies ahead. Foyer Sigma is designed to elevate this experience, transforming any entryway into a grand statement of sophistication, luxury, and modern excellence. Whether it's a five-star hotel, a prestigious corporate headquarters, or an exclusive residential community, Foyer Sigma ensures that every arrival feels extraordinary. At the heart of Foyer Sigma lies a deep commitment to design excellence. Premium materials, artistic craftsmanship, and state-of-the-art lighting come together to create a space that is as visually striking as it is welcoming. From the grand ceilings to the seamless integration of glass, metal, and natural elements, every detail is thoughtfully curated to evoke a sense of prestige and elegance. The balance between bold architectural features and subtle design touches makes Foyer Sigma not just a space, but an experience. But beauty alone is not enough. Foyer Sigma is a masterpiece of smart innovation and efficiency. Integrated with cutting-edge automation, energy-efficient solutions, and advanced security features, it offers an entrance that is not only stylish but also intelligent. Motion-sensing lights enhance energy efficiency, climate-responsive design ensures optimal comfort, and seamless access control provides a secure and effortless entry experience. This fusion of technology and aesthetics makes Foyer Sigma a step ahead in modern architecture. Beyond the structure, Foyer Sigma creates an emotional connection. It's more than just walking into a building. It's about stepping into an experience that speaks of prestige, excellence, and a vision of the future. It's about making a statement, leaving a mark, and setting the tone for what's to come. At Foyer Sigma, we believe that first impressions should not only be seen but felt deeply, powerfully, memorably. Because the right entrance doesn't just welcome you, it inspires you. Foyer Sigma, where every entrance tells a story of prestige, perfection, and timeless innovation. The future of energy is here, clean, efficient, and sustainable. Welcome to Source Solar Panels, where innovation meets renewable power. At Source, we are committed to transforming the way the world generates electricity. Our high-performance solar panels harness the sun's energy with maximum efficiency, providing reliable, eco-friendly power for homes, businesses, and industries. Our panels are built with cutting-edge photovoltaic cells designed to absorb more sunlight and convert it into electricity efficiently. Even on cloudy days, Source solar panels continue to generate power, ensuring consistent energy production. With anti-reflective coatings and heat-resistant technology, our panels maintain peak performance in all weather conditions. Whether it's extreme heat, heavy rain, or snow, Source solar panels are built to last. Sustainability starts with longevity. Our panels are made from high-quality, long-lasting materials, offering a lifespan of 25 years or more with minimal maintenance. By choosing Source, you're not just saving on energy, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a cleaner planet. Every solar panel installed moves us closer to a future powered by renewable energy. Solar power isn't just about sustainability, it's about saving money. Source solar panels help you lower electricity bills, benefit from government incentives, and even sell excess energy back to the grid. With our real-time energy monitoring system, you can track your energy production and consumption, optimizing your savings while reducing reliance on traditional power sources. At Source, we believe in a world where clean energy is accessible to all, a world where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. Join the solar revolution today. Choose Source solar panels and take control of your energy future. Source solar panels, powering your future sustainably. Innovation, precision, and performance. Welcome to NeoSear, the next evolution in cutting-edge technology. At NeoSear, we redefine the standards of efficiency and reliability. Whether you need advanced heating solutions, high-performance industrial applications, or precision-driven energy management, NeoSear delivers superior results with breakthrough technology. Built with state-of-the-art thermal engineering, NeoSear ensures optimal heat distribution, and energy conservation. Our advanced systems maximize performance while minimizing energy consumption, making them ideal for industries and homes alike. Designed with intelligent temperature control, NeoSear adapts to changing environments, ensuring consistent performance under any conditions. Whether for industrial processing, commercial spaces, or specialized applications, our solutions provide unmatched precision and reliability. At NeoSear, we believe that sustainability and durability go hand in hand. Our products are made from high-quality, heat-resistant materials, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. By integrating eco-friendly energy solutions, NeoSear reduces carbon emissions while maximizing output, making it the perfect choice for businesses and individuals seeking sustainable efficiency. Efficiency isn't just about performance, it's about cost savings. NeoSear's advanced technology helps reduce energy waste, lowering operational costs, and optimizing productivity. With smart monitoring and automation, users can track energy usage, adjust settings remotely, and enhance efficiency with just a touch, ensuring maximum control over performance and savings. At NeoSear, we don't just create products. We create solutions that drive progress. Innovation, precision, sustainability. That's the NeoSear promise. Experience the future of intelligent energy today. NeoSear, precision in every degree. Imagine turning your everyday kitchen waste into clean, renewable energy effortlessly. Welcome to Home Biogas, the revolutionary system that transforms organic waste into biogas for cooking, heating, and sustainability. At Home Biogas, we believe in a greener future. Our cutting-edge technology enables homes, farms, and businesses to reduce waste, lower carbon emissions, and generate free, renewable energy, all from leftover food, vegetable scraps, and even animal manure. The process is simple. Just feed your food waste into the Home Biogas system, and through natural anaerobic digestion, bacteria break down the waste, producing clean biogas and organic fertilizer. This biogas can be used directly for cooking, while the nutrient-rich fertilizer enhances soil health for gardening and farming. With zero emissions and zero waste, Home Biogas provides an eco-friendly alternative to traditional energy sources, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and minimizing landfill waste. Home Biogas is not only good for the environment, it's great for your wallet. By using renewable biogas, you can cut down on energy bills while producing a free, sustainable fuel source. Plus, the system requires minimal maintenance, making it a one-time investment for long-term savings. Designed for easy installation and use, Home Biogas is perfect for urban homes, rural farms, and off-grid living. It operates silently, efficiently, and independently, allowing you to take control of your energy future. By switching to Home Biogas, you're not just reducing waste, you're creating energy, improving sustainability, and contributing to a cleaner planet. It's time to rethink waste and embrace a future powered by renewable energy. Home Biogas, turning waste into energy naturally. In a world where efficiency drives progress, one name stands out: Clapt. A brand built on innovation, precision, and smart solutions designed to simplify life and enhance productivity. At Clapt, we don't just create technology, we create experiences. Whether it's smart automation, advanced engineering, or seamless connectivity, our solutions redefine how industries and individuals interact with the world around them. Powered by cutting-edge AI and intelligent automation, Clapt products are designed to adapt, optimize, and perform with unmatched efficiency. From smart home systems to industrial applications, our technology ensures seamless integration and maximum functionality. With real-time monitoring, intuitive controls, and precision-driven engineering, Clapt makes every process faster, smarter, and more reliable. Performance is not just about speed, it's about sustainability. At Clapt, we prioritize eco-friendly designs, energy-efficient technology, and durable materials to create solutions that reduce waste and maximize energy savings. Built to last, Clapt products require minimal maintenance, offering long-term reliability in homes, businesses, and industries. Efficiency and durability go hand in hand, ensuring high-performance results every time. With a vision for a smarter tomorrow, Clapped is redefining innovation. Our mission is simple: to create solutions that work effortlessly, enhance productivity, and simplify everyday life. Join the revolution. Experience the power of seamless technology. Clapped, efficiency perfected.